Hey YouTubers, this is Gopher Bob on the Gopher Bob channel, and today we're doing a review of a 2018 set. This set is 60185 and it's called the Mining Power Splitter. And there's the box. You get a glow in the dark spider, and that's pretty much it. Glow in the dark. There you go. There's some action shots. What's on the back of the box, what's on the side of the box, and that's pretty much it for that one. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, spare pieces, okay, and a sticker sheet. So that's that, and there's the instruction booklet. Okay, there's 2 bags get in it, and 1 minifig, and actually 127 pieces in 1 minifig. Alright, and it was released in 2018, in some places December 2017. But that's it, and let's see how many steps. 53 steps, okay, to get the end product. There you go, and it's got a spring. There's a piece count. We should get in the box. Some advertising on new sets, 2018 sets, and that's it. Nothing else. Let's have a look at these 2018, the forest police, and yeah, that's it. Alright, let's put that away. Let's have a look at the construction worker. Let's have a look at him. He's got a nice headlamp there. That's sort of a bit new. And nice torso there. He's got a pick, his gloves on, face. Yeah. That's it, really. Nice braces on there. And this is the secondary build. So stickers on there. It's like a rock face. There's the spider, and there's the gold, the mining. Okay. I believe the pick goes on the side here, and he's off. Well, it can go on the side while he's in the cabin of the vehicle. Okay, with a jackhammer. Anyway, try to get the levers up. Okay, that's that. Alright, that's fine. But that's, yeah, let's have a look at this. It spins around nicely. Petrol tank's obviously there. Protection there, or a bull bar on the back there. Exhaust. Engine, of course. There's there, that can move up and down, that can do likewise. Now this is very similar to the Volcano series. Just bang, bang, bang. There's a jackhammer, spike, and the cabin. And that's it, and the cabin goes up. So yeah, they're not doing the Volcano series anymore this year, but very similar, exactly the same as this one, jacking, hammering into the boulder. Alright, but no, this is a nice little build. I don't mind this. I'll join my rock raiders in my city, and that's it. So that's supposed to come off and reveal the gold inside, or the gem, whatever you want to have in there. It's your imagination. But yeah, this is a 2018 set, 127 pieces, 1 minifig, very basic starter set. Get out there, and that's it. What else can you say, really, apart from the stickers? That's a sticker. That's a sticker on the side, as well as that side as well. So Oh, that's right. And stickers there and there. Okay. But no, it's a nice little hammering machine there. That's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you next time. Bye.